Hello friends, welcome you all. So today in this video we will be talking about OOP concepts. So let's start with the OOP concepts. So what does first comes that what the meaning of OOP in Java? OOP means object oriented programming. So why this is called the object oriented programming? So main reason for calling this object oriented programming is that we can connect each and everything to the real world examples. That's why we just call it the object oriented. And what why do we need it? Why do we need the OOP concept in programming? So for that the main reason is uh, our readability and second thing, reusability of the code. That's the most reusability. That's the most important thing for any coding, that it should be readable and it should be reusable. That's why we call the concepts OOP concepts, and that is object oriented programming. Right. Now the thing comes that what comes under this OOP concepts. So okay, let's understand that now. So under this OOP concepts we have few things, like let me take a picture in some. Okay, let's consider that this is a bundle of OOP concepts. So what do we have in this? We have classes, and we have methods, we have method processes, method processing. Okay, and other than that, what do we have? The main things, the main pillars. Those main pillars are abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance, and encapsulation. So you can see here that this is a big part of, I will say, OOP. So here we have classes, we have methods, we have method processing in the and in this OOP concept. Okay, and this is, we have, what else do we have? We have this four pillars. Those are abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. So all these comes under the OOP concepts, right? So let's understand one by one what does that mean. So let's start with the method level first. So what how many types of methods do we have basically? uh, Before going in methods, let's have the hierarchy of our Eclipse IDE, where we have what first comes the project, and after project we have package, and after package, in package we have class or classes, and in class we have methods, right? So these methods may be of two types methods we can have over there. So let's understand what does I mean by saying that two types of methods. So let's understand it. So we have two kind of methods. One is the non-abstract method, and another one is the abstract method. So in the non-abstract method there are two things. First thing I will say that in the non-abstract method, that what, and second thing is how. And in abstract method we don't have how, we just only have what. We don't know how this method will work, we just know what this method will work. about, right? So how to represent them, how to represent an abstract and a non-abstract method. So we a non-abstract method we can represent like this. Okay, let's say we have it here, and it will be like public void and method name, whatever the method name we want to give. Give me a second. Method name, and then we have parenthesis for the argument and the body. So here what will happen that this body this part will represent how the method will be working. This part will represent, and before that whatever we are providing, this will tell us what this method will going to do, right? So for na I have given for this non abstract. Okay, and then let us understand about abstract. So let's represent this by red color. Okay, sorry. A. Mhm. So what, how to represent abstract method then? Abstraction is like it will be public void method name and then parenthesis. Okay, like that. We don't have in this abstract method we don't have this body here. So what do we have? We have what the method will be going to do, but we don't know how it will be doing that. And in non-abstract method, we know what the method will be doing and how it will be doing. Both the things we have in non-abstract methods. So based on these methods, we have main concepts. Three main concepts over here we do have based on these. Uh, so what are those main things? These main things are, though we all know very well what are these, but there's just a little minor difference to understand. So I just want to clarify what those differences are in between these three words. So we have class, and we have abstract, abstract class, abstract, abstract class, and then we have interface. So this is the non okay, I will let you understand in a simple way. Class means when we don't have any keyword here as abstract, so this is a non abstract class. So simply we whatever we deal in Eclipse IDE, generally we deal with the non abstract class. Okay, but when we represent we put abstract method, abstract word, abstract keyword before a class, then it becomes a abstract class. And after that another thing comes interface. So these things are like important to understand. There is these all three of these will contains method, like these the what's the level of all these three? The level is here after the package, like in place of class, this all three can exist, like a non-abstract class, abstract class, and interface. This exist over here in this level before method. So all the methods come under class, abstract, and interface. Now let's see what method, which type of method these three classes will be having. So let's say that here, okay, give me 1 second. In class, this class, abstract class, and interface, what these will be having, this will be having, class will be having always non abstract methods. Okay, and abstract class, what abstract class can have? Abstract class can have non abstract method, and also it can have abstract method. What can interface have? Interface can have only abstract method. So I think that's like pretty much clear about here that what does class contains, what does abstract class contains, and what does interface contains. Okay, so what's the outcome from here? So the outcome from here is that the what is interface? Interface is nothing but it is 100% abstraction. Means in interface we will have only abstract methods that that will reveal us that what the method will be doing, but how it will be doing we will not be declaring that in our interfaces. While in abstract class, we can have both kind of method, abstract method and non-abstract methods. And in our non-abstract class, we can have only non-abstract methods. That's the basic difference. And I would like to tell you by giving one example also. Let's see that it's a car over here. Okay, so if we look up over there, we what can we see? We can see, okay, there are the window, there is the car body, there is a wheel. That's like that much we know about it. That okay, what is this? It's a car. That much only we know. So that comes under abstract method. I'm giving a objective example for understanding the concept. That's basically come for the oops, the meaning of oops. Like we can relate them the real world example. That's why I'm relating it to a car. So what is abstract? Abstract is just to knowing about, okay, this is a body, car body, this has wheels and this has windows. But what when we have the knowledge of the engine, that there is an engine for like because of that engine it will work, what work it will be doing. It have the wheel, it have the steering here, and it has the brakes and it has the accelerator. So when somebody will drive the car, then it will be like running through these wheels. So knowing the activity, that how it will gonna work, that comes under the known abstract, where we can say that how what the car, what is this, this is the car and how it will work, we know each and everything about it. So that comes under known abstracts. So that is that is the main, like, minute differences between all these words that really important to understand before going to the coding part. So now let's understand about these four pillars. These are the pillars, we can say pillar 1, pillar 2, pillar 3, pillar 4. So abstraction, you I think it's now pretty easy to understand what does the abstraction mean. When we are going to give like only the only the what concept, not the how concept. Like we are hiding few things and providing few things for a method to do over in a class. That is called the abstraction. We are not providing each and everything. And in polymorphism, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is when we have in a class, when we have multiple methods with the same name. Like we can have these are the method, right? Method I put just for the name. When we have different multiple methods with the same name, that comes under polymorphism. And inheritance is what? Inheritance is when a class can access all the methods, all the coding from another class. That is called inheritance. It comes under inheritance. It's just like giving all the properties from one to another. That called inheritance. And what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is when we put our code plus our data together in one single unit. That is called encapsulation. So these are the simple one line definitions, but these are very important. Let me tell you one more time about abstraction, polymorphism, interface, and encapsulation. Abstraction is nothing, just to providing few information and hide few rather than that. So like we can just say that it contains a method that will tell you what the method will do, but it will not tell you how to work with that. And then polymorphism is that when we have different methods with the same name, it is called polymorphism in one class. And then comes inheritance. Inheritance is when one class can access all the methods from the another class. It comes under inheritance. And encapsulation is nothing but just this packing code and data together in one single unit. That comes under encapsulation. So these were the few important points, few important keywords and concept before starting before using these keywords in our coding format. So in upcoming videos I will be showing the coding part of all related to all these four methods. And I hope this video might have provided a very good and clear understanding about OOP concept, object oriented programming, why we need readability and reusability, and also the methods that we have, known abstract and the abstract method, and also the hierarchy, and where comes the class, abstract class and non abstract class, abstract class and the interface, and also these four pillars: abstract, polymorphism, inheritance and encapsulation. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I'll be uploading more videos for better understanding of the four pillars of a OOP concept. Thank you very much.